These Baltimore and Ohio trains are on display at the Cincinnati Museum Center from November through the first part of January, and they're a big reason why I like the B&O so much. When I'm on eBay, sometimes I look at what these sets, these cars, these locomotives are selling for, and they're really expensive. Plus, I don't have a giant layout where a train this long, pulled by a locomotive that's 17 or 18 inches long itself, I don't have room for something like that. It's nice to look though. This set here would be really nice to have, and it would actually complement some passenger cars that I already own. But at $125 per car plus shipping, this is just out of my price range. I found these items on eBay in January of 2022, and if you're willing to spend some money, you could put together a set that looks reasonably similar to what you would find at the Duke Energy Holiday Train exhibit. It's going to cost you a little bit of money, and you're going to need a whole lot of room, but when you're done, you could have something that looks a lot like this. Here's another auction from eBay in January. It's for a pair of passenger cars, a sleeper and a diner car. They're used for $200. Luckily, I bought mine brand new 15 years ago, and I paid nowhere near that price. But I never take these out of the box. I think they've only been out one other time, and they for sure have never been on the tracks. Even though the holidays are officially over, I'm still thinking about the Baltimore and Ohio. So I think it's time to take these out of the box, take them out of the bags, and give them a very close examination and review. What do you think? Yeah, it is. I can describe these in one word: beautiful. I am so impressed by the paint and the detail. Everything is done so well on these models, and I love the interior. There are tables in the dining car. There are little bunks inside the sleeper car. MTH did just a great job on these. MTH has labeled these as 70-foot scale passenger cars. They're nearly 18 inches in length if you take into consideration the couplers at each end. They'll operate on 042 track, and it may not be fair, but I can't help but compare these to the Lionel passenger car that I just recently repainted. These have interiors, these are more scale in length, but the Lionel car, just as much as I liked it when I first did it, I feel like it's letting me down right now because I cannot stand those silhouettes against that white milky plastic. These MTH cars are definitely on the next level above that Lionel passenger car. I like them both, and I will find a place for them both, either on the track or on a shelf. I can't help but think that this would look really good behind some of my Williams B&O diesels. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.